Hello guys, I am Advocate Shivika Jain and welcome to my channel Saikai Junoon. So friends, today's session going to be very rocking and very important because I am going to discuss a very captivating judgment which passed by the Honorable Supreme Court regarding cruelty, a well reasoned judgment that comes under section 498A. So this video are most important for those who are the sufferer and for those also who wants to gain the legal knowledge. And because this video has some significance, so I made this video in both the language, that is Hindi and English. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just fasten your seat belt and let's ride with me to this legal world. So friend, here is the judgment. The judgment name is Achin Gupta versus State of Haryana and other, passed by Honorable Supreme Court on 3rd May 2024. This is the double bench judgment and the case number is SLP criminal number 4912 of 2022. So whoever wants this judgment, just look below on the description box where I already dropped this judgment. So friends, to understand this case, let's look the facts of the case. Let's see what the Achin Gupta and Tanu Gupta had submitted in the case. So Tanu Gupta went to police station and lodged a FIR against Achin Gupta and his family members. And she mentioned that she tied a knot with Achin Gupta on 2008 and her parents spent 30 lakh rupees on engagement ceremony and the marriage has been done as per the direction of Achin Gupta family members. She said that she performed all the duties as dutiful wife. But Achin Gupta, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, mother-in-law were not interested to keep with her because of less dowry. And they all forced her, pressurized her and harassed her so much for bringing more dowry. But whenever she refuses, they beated her and deserted her. She also mentioned that Achin Gupta had an affair with some other girl and she kept quiet because to save the marriage. So guys, this fact has been submitted by the Tanu Gupta. Let's see what submission has been made by the Achin Gupta, which is also very important to understand this case. So after registering a FIR against Achin Gupta and his family member, Achin Gupta went to Honorable High Court where he pleaded for quashing of FIR. But Honorable High Court dismissed his petition and then he went to Honorable Supreme Court where Honorable Supreme Court passed a very well reasoned judgment, a long judgment of 36 pages. So guys, this video is only the crux of this judgment because it is not possible to discuss each and everything of this judgment. But if anyone who wants to go in detail of this judgment, just click on my description box where you find the link of this judgment. So guys, let's see what the submission has been submitted by the Achin Gupta before the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So Achin Gupta has submitted that when his family member and Achin Gupta filed a divorce petition and domestic violence case against Tanu Gupta on 2019 and 2020, and just after the delay of 11 months or more than 11 months, she filed a FIR. So this is the main ground has been put by the Achin Gupta before the Honorable Supreme Court. Now let's see what the analysis has been done by the Honorable Supreme Court, which is very interesting. Now the Honorable Supreme Court analyzed that a simple reading of FIR seems like vague and general, which does not discloses the criminal action or criminal conduct against Achin Gupta. And Supreme Court also analyzed that during the investigation, the police officer, the IO investigation officer, also dropped the investigation against the Achin Gupta's family members, which means the IO doesn't find anything against the family members of Achin Gupta. Honorable Supreme Court also mentioned that with the increase of matrimonial dispute, Generally, wife use this provision. This provision means section 498, that is related to cruelty. This provision used as a weapon, not as a shield. So Honorable Supreme Court also requested to the lawmakers to look into the issue which is highlighted in this case and take necessary action on that. And Honorable Supreme Court, by mentioning various judgments, held that this FIR is nothing just a counterblast to the divorce petition and domestic violence filed by the Achin Gupta and his family members. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, show more and more thumbs impression. Please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video, and I will make another video soon. Until then, bye bye.